Welcome to a walkthrough of the NMDC Field Notes mobile app. This link will take you to a webpage with more information and provide you with links to download the app, which is available for Apple and Android devices. The app is compatible with smartphones and tablets. The NMDC Field Notes mobile app is designed to help researchers in the field and in the lab keep track of standardized metadata associated with their samples. This app uses ORCID credentials to log in, and you need internet access to connect to this login service. We highly recommend logging in and starting a study before you go out into the field. Once logged in, you can see any studies that you have created either within the NMDC Field Notes mobile app or in the NMDC submission portal. Clicking into a study will allow you to further edit the study information and its associated samples. Selecting a sample will load the information that has been previously collected. If you are starting a new study, you can create a new study in the app by providing a study name and an email for the principal investigator. There are other optional fields you can choose to add at this stage, such as a study description. You can also select if you are the principal investigator, and the app will auto-populate some of these fields. You can then select a template or multiple templates that match the samples that will be a part of this study. For this example, we will choose the sediment template. You can then customize which metadata fields are visible to you when collecting samples for this study. We have organized the metadata terms into common and occasional to help you navigate what other researchers typically choose. This makes metadata collection less overwhelming and can help you to prioritize the information that you need to collect while you are in the field. Once the study has been created, you can select here to add new samples. We will first add a sample name, which must be unique from the other samples within your study. Help guidance is provided with each field to assist with formatting. When adding a collection date, you can set it to automatically choose today's date. For the geographic location field, the app can automatically collect and add your current location if you grant location permissions. Now, going back to an existing study, we can look at all of the samples associated with that study. The homepage of the app includes a link to a checklist for information to know before you go out into the field. This section is important to review for general fieldwork recommendations, and it provides you with more information about collecting metadata with this app. You can toggle between the different facets of the mobile app. Within the app settings, you can change the app to dark mode or light mode, depending on your preferences. You can also log out, which can be helpful for shared devices. There are several other features within the NMDC Field Notes mobile app that are designed to streamline your sample and metadata collection process, and we encourage you to explore the app to see how it could help your research practices. Additionally, the app does work offline, but when it is connected to the internet, you can allow automatic syncing with the NMDC submission portal. So for example, if you are returning from your fieldwork excursion, you can return to your desktop computer, open up the NMDC submission portal, and continue editing and validating the metadata for the study and samples you created in the app. You can then submit this information to the NMDC data portal when you are ready to make your data publicly available. Here's a link to the NMDC submission portal if you would also like to explore this further. The NMDC Field Notes mobile app was built in alignment with community feedback and optimized based on beta tester experiences. We encourage you to provide your feedback on the app by reaching out to the team or by getting involved in NMDC user research activities.